Could it be because of CapCut AI that YouTube refused to monetize my AI Faceless channel? Welcome back to my channel, my money makers. In my last video, a lot of people were saying that I am lying, that YouTube did not reject monetizing my Faceless channel. Some even say that I scripted the whole thing just because of views. But today I'm going to show you evidence. If there are people that you can trust on this YouTube streets, I think I am one of them. All my videos are genuine and I have never for one day deceived anybody with my video. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact video that I'm creating with CapCut AI that made YouTube to reject my Faceless AI channel, and the real reason why YouTube flagged my channel even after sending my appeal video. And for the context, this is not my only Faceless channel. I have one channel that is already monetized. I just started this one recently just to try out some things and also be grounded in my teaching. And believe me, this rejection wasn't about copyright. You know, the way we talk about reused content, people think, oh, it is copyright, you copied people's video. No, I'm going to explain everything in this video so that you be very cleared and know how you run your own YouTube channel. I mean your Faceless channel. What YouTube actually needs now is, how do you make your content? Yes. How do you make your content? A lot of creators don't know this. YouTube has started detecting AI edited videos. I don't mean AI generated videos, AI edited videos, especially when they are made with pre-made templates or scripts that looks automatically generated. YouTube is very strict now. So if you are using CapCut AI or any editing AI applications for your video, I mean AI generated videos, without customizing your visuals, your voice, your tone, your editing, or even your structure, just know that you are not going to get monetized. Even if your videos are going viral or they are educational or inspirational, just know that you are not going to get monetized. And going further, I'm going to explain what YouTube means by reused content. In my own case, why my appeal still got rejected, the part of CapCut AI that actually triggered the rejection, and the changes that I'm going to make so that I can reapply for the monetization. So if you are serious about monetizing your own Faceless channel, you don't just want to waste time creating videos that at the end of the day it will not get monetized. I guess you need to stick around to watch this video to the end, because many of you doesn't watch video to the end and you draw conclusion. Yeah, if you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur teaching you exactly how to make money with AI, especially in content creation. Please go ahead and like this video so that other creators will be very much aware of these latest updates, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now, this is my channel. This is my earning dashboard, and on YouTube you can see it. They said your channel remains ineligible for monetization. They said that their team have reviewed it and still not qualified to be monetized. Now when you go to the review of my appeal, it says appeal didn't demonstrate enough value add editing. Do you see it? That is where I spotted that it could be the CapCut AI that I am using to generate my short videos. Listen guys, YouTube is very, very serious with what they are doing. They know that people are pulling short videos just to grow their channel so fast, because once you use viral content and post it on short, believe me, you are going to get subscribers very quick. But guess what? YouTube is also measuring your growth. Yes, the way you are copying and pasting, they know that watching your activities. Okay, let me go further. The initial feedback was reused content. Then after my appeal video, they said that I did not add enough value while editing. You guys, I'm going to share everything in this video. These are the things I kept secret for my paid class, but because I love my fans here, I want to share it for free. Let me show you, I'm coming to that aspect. Let me show you the kind of content I post on my shorts using CapCut AI. I'm not going to show you my channel name because I don't want people to troop in and then click in and click out. It affects YouTube channels, okay? So I'm going to show you the videos I post. Now, these videos here are what I generated from CapCut AI. Look at them. Look at them. I was looking for a quick route, shorter cut, you know. You see all these shortcuts will cut your monetization. I'm telling you, please don't follow my step and don't make the mistake, okay? Because YouTube checked my channel and noticed that I pulled most of my subscribers through my shorts videos, and they went through the short videos. I did not demonstrate enough editing. Now I am coming to the full gist of this video. People think that reuse content is only when you re-upload someone's video. No, that's copyright. I want you to understand the difference. That's copyright. Reuse content is when YouTube believes your video does not add enough original value, when you don't have any original value. I'm also going to tell you the step that I will take further to monetize this channel in the next 3 months. Even if the clips you are using are yours, everything is yours, you generated them, even if the voiceover is yours, even if your editing is yours, please own your work. And here is where many faceless creators fall into trouble in this monetization stuff. Number one, using the same CapCut templates as thousands of other people are using it. Now, YouTube is very smart. YouTube team, they are very smart. And all these people are IT gurus. You don't outsmart them. They know. Yes, they know very well. Now, you use same transition. They watch it. They see the same transitions on my video. Let me open one.
Rumi stood in the alley behind the training hall. The rain clung to her worn tracksuit, mixing with the smoke of the city. She had just checked the bank balance. Still short.
Now, do you see the transition? You see other people using the same transition. They know. Same stock clips. See, these things are very important. Same stock clips. Some style of AI voiceovers. They have already dictated that I saw this voice in another channel, So how do we differentiate that this is this person's own? Now, another one is same drag and drop structure. You copy, you paste. They already know these things. Even when you want to defend it in the appeal video, they know, okay? But I guess in the long form video, they didn't say anything about my long form video because I did it dedicatedly. I didn't go shots. I didn't go to do shortcuts, you know? Yes. To the human eye, it looks like original work, but to YouTube system, it looks like mass-produced AI content. That's what they said in their content policies these days. Mass-produced AI content. And believe me, that is now flagged under minimal originality. Yeah. Please hear me. The problem isn't CapCut itself. The problem is using CapCut without customizing it. Once YouTube thinks your content is mass-generated, even if your channel is getting views, they will reject your monetization and label it as reused content. Guys, reused content is not copyrighted content. It's not content that people re-upload. No, it is content that is mass generated with AI. Now, these are the steps that I'm going to take further to monetize this my channel within 3 months. First, I'm going to get a clip. Look at the clip I'm going to get this time around. It's not AI clip. I'm going to use my phone, go outside and get a very nice terrain, a very nice environment, video that particular place. Okay, keep the clips. I can get up to 5 to 6 clips and then keep them for my videos. Now, the next step that I'm going to take again is, you see this voice, AI voice that I'm using, I will use it, but trust me, I'm also going to add my own voice. It could be towards the end of the video because I don't want to suffer and not make the money in this my second channel. Okay, this is my second channel. You see, stories gives money. Yeah, especially if you are telling American stories, it gives money. Okay, yeah. So I don't want to waste my time doing what will not get monetized. So I'm going to add my voice, or even if I use any AI application to twist it, I don't even want to twist it. I'm going to add my voice, but it will be towards the end of the video. It could be just, thank you for watching this video. I guess you enjoy it. Please do well to hit the subscription button and also like this video. Thank you. We appreciate your maximum support. It could be that though. Yes, it's okay. And the third step that I'm going to take now is I'm going to do proper editing. I'm going to add overlays. I'm going to get my own song. Even if I don't get my own songs, I will use sound effects or sounds from YouTube. Yes, free sounds from YouTube. That is what I'm going to be doing now to customize my video. Lastly, I'm going to add my watermark. In fact, I'm going to design my watermark, place it in the beginning of the video and also the middle and at the end, including in the body of the video. These are the 4 things that I'm going to do from now henceforth. And let's see from now to the 3rd month if YouTube won't monetize this video. They will, certainly. I'm also going to change content style. I will tell my viewers that, look at, for these reasons, I'm going to change my content style. Yeah, I'm going to go to another special niche. Yes. So guys, the problem wasn't copyright. The problem wasn't my topic or the kind of niche I chose. The problem was minimal originality. And this is why many faceless channels will not get monetized. I also forget something. Please also add real commentaries in your video. Please, at some point, impute your voice. You see those 8 faceless niches that I taught in my last video? Go and watch their videos. Go and watch those channels under those niches. At some point, they used to put their voice. They used to put their input. They do some editing, they do some animations by themselves. So if you are building a faceless channel right now, monetization is no longer about posting a lot of videos. It is about providing originality now. Now, this is it. YouTube wants to know there is a real creator behind the screen, not just a tool doing the heavy lifting. Yes, they want to pay for your creativity. And I believe adding some sense of originality to your content will make it more attractive and more unique. Yes, it won't look so mass produced or generics. Do you understand? So you guys, I believe this video makes sense to you and it will help a lot of people out there. Please share it to someone so that those people will understand what they're into. This is real work, guys. Yeah, and this will make me, even if it's only one video I upload on that channel in a week, I don't mind. Yeah, for the fact I'm in the right track, that's the best thing. I don't mind. Yeah. So see you guys in my next video. Like I promised, I'm going to teach you documentary niche. And trust me, this documentary niche, I'm going to narrow it down to true crime stories. That's another milking niche these days that you don't know, and how you can do it and own your work originally. I'm not going to be teaching any niche that won't get monetized from now henceforth. Okay. Now you guys, I want to remind you again, the things I'll be teaching you from now henceforth is, number 1, those niches I talked about, documentary niches, and go and watch my last video. I talked about them, okay? And I'm also going to be sharing some good AI tools that you can use to enhance your work, not actually doing the heavy liftings, okay? I'm going to be reviewing some AI tools like voice, video generation tools and all that. Okay. And if you have not subscribed to this great family, please do well to subscribe. I believe you love the tips that I just gave now. Please try and find a way to fix some of them in your videos. It is very important. The voice aspects and the rest of them. Okay. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I know you gain value. Love you.